We are losing it. Gradually, we are losing it.
The Keta beach is always number one on the list of most tourists when it comes to tourism, in terms of its beauty and its cleanliness. But at this point, I feel like we are losing it. I don't have solutions, but I have questions. Questions, not pointing finger at anyone, but questions which its answers might become our solution. Questions that worries me each and every day, and I want to know your opinion. Questions that might frighten us to find solutions.
At least 3,000 people in Keta municipality have been rendered homeless after tidal waves swept through their homes this morning.
Is this the Keta we want for ourselves, where tidal waves keep destroying our people? If no, what is the solution? Who has the solution? Is it the people or government? Will the ones yet to be born ever meet Keta? Will the place many call home be a place to run to in years to come? Are we going to wait till history repeats itself and we point fingers at where the market used to be? Who really has the solution? Is it we, the citizens, or government? I suggest beach cleaning exercise should be a routine where we can keep our beaches very, very clean to attract tourists. We can start with that. Yes, I think we can start with that. What of stopping open defecation and sun winning? What if our fisher folks stop dumping rubber in the sea? Yes, what of that? I just think it can help reduce littering at our beaches. What do you think? We are really doing well with the results around, but we shouldn't just keep those sides clean. Other parts of the beaches are equally important. Sanitation is another key to great tourist sites. Let's save Keta. Let's save Mother Keta. Let's save Keta. The voice of a passionate Keta youth. This has been another episode on Hood Vibe Show. Please subscribe. Notice most of our audience or viewers are not our subscribers, so kindly subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Peace out.